Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 11, Area and its boundary. In my previous video, we have solved the sum share the land of page number 152. In this video, we will start with the practice time of page number 153. So let's see the question number A of this practice time. Look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of this, which column would you choose? Now there are some of the items are given to us and we are supposed to see that the standard unit of this objects or items, what should be the standard unit for them if we are supposed to find out their area. So we are supposed to take that column. Handkerchief, isn't it? Handkerchief, if we can measure the handkerchief in centimeter because it is small, so we use the standard unit for centimeter. So when we are finding out the area also, we will find it in the centimeter only. So here we will use square centimeter. Sari, it is lengthy, isn't it? It is long, so we cannot use the centimeter standard unit for that. The answer, we will get the answer in a many standards, so we take the another standard unit, which is the meter. So here also we will find out the area also in square meter. Page of your book, the page of your book is this much only, so we can use square centimeter for this. School land, the land of the school is very big, isn't it? So the school land, we can find out the school land area in square meter. Whenever we are using the land to measure a land, we always use foot. The standard unit for there is foot, ft, foot. But here it is not there, so the school land, we will also measure the school land in square meter only. If it is very big area is there, then we will use the kilometer. But a small area is there, then we will use the meter, square meter. Total land of a city, the city's measurement, we take the distance in the city in the kilometer. So whenever we are measuring the land of the city, we will also measure the area of the city by the using square kilometer. The door of your classroom, we will measure the door of the classroom in square meter. The chair seat, the seat of the chair where we are supposed to sit, that thing we will measure because it will be lesser than a meter. So we will use to measure that in centimeter. Blackboard, the blackboard we can measure, it is bigger, so we can measure it in the meter unit. So the area will be also in meter square. Indian flag we will measure, it is greater, so we can measure it in the centimeter. Land over which a river flows, over which a river flows, it is very vast land, so we can use it as a kilometer. So area we will find out in the kilometer. So students, when the thing is small, which we can easily measure in centimeter, we use centimeter. When the thing is big, which can be easily measure in meter, we will use the meter for its area. And the vast thing is very big, where we cannot measure it by centimeter or in centimeter or in meter, then we will use the kilometer for that. Okay, this you are supposed to do in your textbook only. Now let's see sum number B. Draw a square of 9 centimeter. Write A on it. Draw another square with double the side and write b on it, and then we are supposed to solve. So we will not draw the squares, but we will just write down the measurement of that okay. So I will write it down. First of all, we will write on the heading practice time. Okay, b1 square a length L is equals to okay. So length is equals to, we will take 9 square centimeter. No, the here it is given just draw a square of 9 square centimeter, means the area which is given here, it should be by 9 square centimeter. 9 square centimeter. So when area is 9 square centimeter, then the side will be 3 centimeter. Okay, so we will write down here we will write down area 9 square centimeter. So length is equals to it is L by L, so length is equals to here it will be 3 centimeter. So length square A, the length is 3 centimeter. Okay students, now what are the, draw another square with double the side, write b on it. If you are supposed to draw another square, here it is, for example, we have drawn this square, this is square A of 9 squares, isn't it? Of 9 square we have draw A, so this is A. Now double, if this is 3, then we are supposed to draw another square for that. So it is 3, so double of 3, 3 2s are how much? Double 6. So there we will draw a square of 6. Okay, so this is your B. Okay, so we will write down here about this. Square A is equal to this square B. Length is equal to double of 3, it will 6 centimeter. We are supposed to draw it with 6 centimeter. Okay, now we are supposed to find out this. The perimeter of square A is dash centimeter. Now square A perimeter, this question 1 start here. Perimeter of square A is equals to, perimeter of square A is equals to, now L is how much? 3 centimeter, isn't it? 3 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to square, so 4 multiplied by L. 4 3s are 12. So it is 12 centimeter. Okay, now next question. The side of square B is, square B, the side is of 6 centimeter. So we have written, okay, so the side of square B is 6 centimeter. The side of square B is 6 centimeter. B is 6 centimeter. It is double. The double of 3 is 6. Centimeter. Next question. The area of square B is. Now we are supposed to find out the area. Is equals to area L into L. 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 6 are 36. How much 6 6 are 36? So 36 square centimeter. Okay. Now next, the area of square B is dash times the area of square A. Now we will find fourth one. First of all, we write down area of square A is equals to 9 square centimeter. Now next, area of square B is 36 square centimeter. Now how many times, if we want suppose to find out, students, we will divide the bigger value with the smaller value. Okay, so how number of times? We will divide number of times. It will be 36 divided by 9. So we will get 4, isn't it? 36 is bigger value, 9 is smaller value. So to know how many times 36 is bigger than 9, then we are supposed to divide it, isn't it? When we divide it, 36 divided by 9, we will get the answer 4. So the area of square B, answer here is the area of square B is 4 times the area of square A. Isn't it, students? Okay. Now next, the perimeter of square B is dash centimeter. Now the perimeter of square B. B is equals to 4 multiplied by L. 4, the L is 6, isn't it? 4 multiplied by 6. So 4 6 are 24 centimeter. The perimeter of square B is 24 centimeter. Now the perimeter of square B is dash times the perimeter of square A. Now as we have done about area, we will do about by perimeter. 6. Perimeter of square A of square A. What was the perimeter of square A? 12 centimeter. Perimeter of square B is 24 centimeter. Now to know how many times it is more, so bigger value will divide by smaller value. 24 divided by 12. 2, isn't it? So 2 times. What is the double? 2 times. So we write down the last statement. We write down the perimeter of square B is 2 times, because 12 to the 24, so 2 times the perimeter of square A. Understood, students? Okay, so here we have completed the practice time. So this question B you are supposed to write down in your notebook as I have written.